placed in between, so that it won't affect in the earthquake zone. Mostly hilly areas prone to earthquakes, so don't be mistaken if you are not using mortar. So, mortar should be used frequently. If you see the section, it should look like this one. Through stones are placed after every layer, so that the better bonding of the wall is there. Then we are having another dry rubble masonry. This type is not using mortar, its height is less than 6 meter. So, if wall height is less than 6 meter, so then we can use dry stones placed one above the other one. And the section, if you see, so section can be like this one. This is used to compound wall, retaining wall. So, compound wall can be made. Then we are having retaining walls to retain earth. Retaining walls height should not be more. So, retaining walls of low height can be used for dry rubble masonry. Then we are having another type of masonry, which is called Ashlar masonry. In this, stones are dressed. So, they are given a proper shape, stones are dressed. So, quarry site, we dress the stone, then make it for the masonry purpose. Then we are having coast ashlar masonry. Coast ashlar masonry. So, these are very architectural beautiful walls. So, here it looks like a work of brick work, but the size of these bricks, stone bricks, are very large. So, we require less time to make a wall with the help of stone masonry. So, there is a joint. So, joint continuity is not, breaking of joint is there. So, that the better strength, better bonding between various stones are there. So, this is my coast ashlar masonry. Every stone is finely tooled, stones are uniform size. So, this size is uniform in height. So, all the stones are uniform in size. So, its appearance is good. So, this is very good work, strength wise, otherwise also. Random rubble, random coast ashlar, random coast ashlar masonry. Quality of stone, hard free from all defects. So, stone quality is good. So, we keep the quality very rich, so that it look architecturally beautiful. Dressing stone are finely dressed. So, stones are dressed, in this case stones are dressed properly. Then laying, no hollow space is left. So, while laying, mortar is laid so that there is no void in this one. Then fourth is joints. Joints should be less than 25 mm. So, it should not be greater in size. So, uniform breaking of joints should be there. So, breaking of joints, which is very important, breaking of joints should be there. Then we are having a rough tooled ashlar, rough tooled ashlar. So, here joints remain uniform and it should be less than 6 mm. So, joints are not so wide. So, joints should be kept as small as possible. Then we are having rock or quarry faced ashlar masonry, rock or quarry faced. Ashlar. So, directly from the quarry site you get the stones, and it is quarry faced ashlar masonry. Then we are having chamfered ashlar masonry, chamfered ashlar masonry. In this case, edges are beveled to 45 degree. So, if you see this section, so this would be looking like this one and making the section beautiful. So, this way, this is chamfered ashlar masonry. Once again, this masonry is specially in hilly areas. So, hilly areas we prefer masonry work, otherwise it is a costly affair. Then we are having ashlar facing, Rubble ashlar. First is Rubble ashlar. So, here ashlar facing is kept over here like this one. So, these are finely dressed stone and it gives good appearance to the houses. In plain area, we use this facing, stone facing is used and it gives architectural beauty to the buildings. And backing is rubble. Rubble, as you know, not dressed one, so stones are placed just like this one. Rubble backing is there. So, this is my rubble backing. And this is Ashlar face, Ashlar. So, this is my Rubble Ashlar. So, Rubble portion is here, Rubble, and this backing is Ashlar. So, the name Rubble Ashlar. Next is brick Ashlar, brick Ashlar. So, Ashlar is my face work with the Ashlar. So, make the facing, because these stones are used in the face of the building, it should look very dressed one. So, fine dressing is done, 2-line or 3-line dressing should be done for these ashlar stones, so that it gives better appearance to the building. So, this is my ashlar face. And backing is brick. So, bricks are of smaller size. So, these are like this one, joints should not be continued. So, breaking of joints should be there. So, this should be kept in mind while making arrangement of bricks. So, this should be checked, breaking of joints should be there. So, I am keeping the backing, brick backing. So, bricks are used for backing portion, bricks are on the back side. So, this way you can use brick masonry in, these are in the hilly portion. So, various features of stone masonry are there. So, thank you.